Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It is your boy Namakana here, and once again, my Homo sapiens. Today we have another keycap reveal. This time a little bit more interesting. Right off the bat, a golden cardboard box, but once you open that bad boy, what's this? You immediately realize these sort of materials meant to put in rings or earrings, but they use it as padding, which is fine, you know, it's fine. But anyways, this is what I want to show you guys. And once again, the package, the vacuum sealing thing within, wow, that's quite convenient. +1 for that, eh? So if I could get this out, voila. We have a Japanese demon keycap. Let's go, or at least one of a kind. Wow, that is actually quite creepy. The way it's staring at me, that's a bit, wow. Like, are you guys seeing this right now? You seeing that? The eyes are just glaring at me. And sorry for my, oh no. My god, my voice is going away. I'm talking too much. But clearly the details, the level of details, you can see the sakurai blossoms around the corner and Demon's face. And then right off the bat, the reason why the scotch tape was there is because of the horns. And my intuition was right. So if you were to reveal this very gently, wow. Alright, it looks like I have to clean this off a little bit, but wow. Wow. If you could just focus. Thank you very much. Wow. Looks like we have an air-bending signature on top of his head. Like I said, the cherry blossom petals around there. And the face is like buried underground. Demon's head poking off. Wow. This is beautiful. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god, this is heavy. My god, this is extremely heavy. Holy crap. This is worth, oh my god, this is insanely heavy. And look at the cutout. There's no way I'll be able to expand this at all. But I like how it's machine grade, and you can clearly tell that they took care of being particular in cutting everything out in the exact way I want it. But man, what? This thing is heavy. Holy crap. I guess that makes sense. This is literally iron or steel. My goodness. Wow. And I think it will feel really good pressing. Yeah, there's nothing intrusive when you're pressing this down, but wow, it's beautiful. This is it. This is definitely a piece to complement my keyboard, right? For sure. The symmetry, the level of detail, the weight. This is a weapon right here I'm holding. This is a weapon. Thank you so much, vendor. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Until next time. There'll be more soon, I promise you.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?